I've been contemplating the relationship that video games have always had with EA, especially with the new wave of EA in this decade. I've experimented with generating text and images using EA, and it has proven to be very useful for crafting stories and imagining things that I otherwise wouldn't have been able to. Perhaps the gaming industry views implementing EA for spontaneous and imaginative NPC responses as something peculiar, but I see it as a potential future. It just needs to be implemented in the right way. For instance, any game with well-known characters could turn these characters into interactive entities that players can converse with. All it takes is configuring their personalities and ironing out possible flaws in their responses. Let's take Sub-Zero from Mortal Kombat as an example. A dialogue section could be added where players can talk to him and ask questions, to which Sub-Zero responds in his own voice. This could be utilized to craft a narrative. For instance, if you've chosen to be a Lin Kuei, you can directly interact with Sub-Zero, and he guides you on what to do. If it's not a linear story, it can still be used for interactive conversations, drawing from the character's entire story available in the database. Adding personality could highlight what the character loves to say, struggles to express, or hates to mention. In another scenario, it could be used to interact with a newly created character by the player. The possibilities are endless, and the limits of each character can be defined by the game's universe itself, meaning characters won't say things that are outside the realm of possibilities within their world. When it comes to creating stories, developers could base them on the specific universe, generating scenes from written data with established parameters. Initially, it might be experimental, but it should start simple and then add complexity as its use progresses. Each game developer can have control over the lore of the game, ensuring that the EA stays within those boundaries. If there are plans to monetize, such as adding DLC content, it could be done one character at a time. For example, Sub-Zero this month, Scorpion next month. I just want to open up the possibility for consideration. I'm sure you will have millions of better ideas than mine, but if I don't express this, I would feel uneasy with myself. Thanks for watching.